everyone. This video shows you the process of using a CNC spinning machine to make a stainless steel lid with an inner curling edge. The CNC spinning machine is one of the main models customized by our company for customers. It uses CNC control and has mature CAD drawing and programming software functions. The same machine tool can complete trimming, flanning, curling, shrinking, rolling, and other functions. This model is suitable for many industries, such as ventilation, lamps, cookers, handicrafts, etc. It can complete the mass production of a series of products such as barrels, cones, parabolas, trumpets, and bullets. It is an ideal choice for customers in the above industries. Welcome new and old customers to consult and negotiate.